Hundreds of ex-servicemen will today launch an agitation in the national capital demanding implementation of one rank, one pension scheme. Over 5,000 ex-servicemen from across the country are expected to converge in Delhi to participate in the protests that are scheduled to begin from 20 minutes from now. While similar agitations are set to be held in various other cities during the protest today, the ex-servicemen will deposit the gallantry medals and service medals to the president. Tomorrow, the war veterans will begin a relay hunger strike in the capital that will continue till their demands are met. Indian ex-servicemen movement caused the Modi government of not fulfilling election time promise on the issue of one rank, one pension, saying that the government had destroyed the major pillar of democracy and betrayed the trust of the soldiers by succumbing to machinations of the bureaucracy. Prime Minister Modi, in his 8th edition of Mann Ki Baat program, had assured the ex-servicemen that his government will soon resolve the one rank, one pension issue, and he had also urged the war veterans to wait for some time to sort out the complexities. Before becoming the Prime Minister, Modi had also promised ex-servicemen to implement the scheme. Joining me live from the national capital is India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamal, you are tracking that story and from Jantar Mantar. When are we expecting the protest to start by the ex-servicemen?
Well, if I can tell you, loads of people have gathered out here at Jantar Mantar. You can see a lot of people coming in. They've been trickling in since 9 o'clock in the morning when it was raining. But definitely the message is loud and clear to the government. They had promised one rank, one pension. Now it's time to deliver. They also believe that this is even though in Mann Ki Baat the Prime Minister had clearly mentioned that it is a commitment of the BJP. They will fulfill the promise. Now it's the question of when will they do it. But all these war veterans and the army veterans believe that the time is simply over. Now, if we can try and show you out here, many people gathered out here, and this rally is expected to go on till around 12:31, after which they will go ahead and meet President Pranab Mukherjee. They will insist on their demand. So we know, even as the people are trickling in, this is something that they've been very insistent. For the BJP, the question is that we'll try and speak to more people out here. आप ये बताइए, आप लोग यहाँ पर सब लोग आए हैं, क्या मांग लेकर आए? प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला है कि आप लोगों की मांग पूरी की जाएगी, तो फिर किस बात के लिए आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं?
एक रैंक एक पे के लिए हम लोग आए हैं।
डेट नहीं दी उन्होंने, और
जो है उनने अभी तक डेट निश्चित की। शासन में आके बैठने के बाद में बोला हम करेंगे। जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं वो सिर्फ ये बोलते हैं कि हम जो है एक रैंक एक पे करने के लिए कटिबद्ध है, लेकिन डेट आज तक फिक्स नहीं की है उनकी। हमको ये चाहिए कि हमारा जो है ना डेट फिक्स करे, जो एरियाज बन रहा है वो एरियाज हमारे के लिए रिलीज करे। वो
ये जो एक बात बोल रहे हैं कि सिविलियंस को भी उस तरह से पेंशन नहीं मिलती है, तो सेना को क्यों दिया जाए?
All right, Kamaljeet will continue to track those protests that will be held in the national capital.